Welcome to the bottling line. The machinery here handles thousands of bottles per hour. From the moment they're filled to when they're labeled over here, it's a completely seamless process.
Watch the turn here.
Okay, I've got it. Let's head to Bay 3.
Flow rate is holding steady, right at target.
Yeah, looks good. We should hit the limit in the next hour.
Dialing up the flow rate now. Keep an eye on the pressure.
Copy that. Looking good here.
And look at the power of this mixer. It creates this vortex to ensure every batch in the primary tank is blended perfectly. As you can see, the dark viscous syrup is introduced and the mixer ensures a perfect blend. I'm just monitoring the viscosity levels here on the display. Everything is running smoothly and efficiently.
This screen allows us to monitor the blend in real time. The syrup in the vat is maintaining a consistent temperature and viscosity throughout the process.
Activating the infusion sequence now. As you can see in the tube, the CO2 is immediately creating that rich, velvety effervescence we look for.
Watch as the CO2 is injected, creating this vigorous reaction within the tank.
We have an alert on the flow rate here.
My data shows it's just a sensor spike. It should stabilize.
This data here shows the preforms are heating evenly.
Good. Let's maintain this setting for the next batch.
Sequence start confirmed. Flow rate holding steady at 500 BPM.
The sensors here allow us to monitor the flow rate in real time, ensuring peak efficiency across the entire bottling process.
We're running at peak efficiency, right, Vector? Look at the numbers on the screen.
Yeah, that's a solid improvement over yesterday. As you can see on the graph here, the efficiency is up 20% since we optimized the alignment last month. This machine caps 1,200 bottles an hour.
The output has stabilized since we adjusted the flow rate yesterday.
Good. I'll update the efficiency report.
As you can see, the machine automatically verifies the seal integrity. If there's an issue, the red light flashes and we make adjustments here. The data shows we are running faster than projected.
And the Coca-Cola red is consistent.
Good job. This scanner checks for microfractures. The green indicator on the screen means pass, red means fail, giving us 99% accuracy.
This is our new robotic palletizer. It handles the Coca-Cola pallets with incredible precision, ensuring efficiency across the line.
From this vantage point, you can truly appreciate the scale. We're looking at over 20 active loading docks. Here at the plant, we're incredibly proud of our efficiency. This line alone processes over 500 bottles and cans every minute.